All right, everyone, welcome back. Looking at Quant. So, Quant is having a nice candle on the day so far. I know BTC and Ethereum are making a move. I think BTC is up 5% already on the day. So, we'll see. The reason for this update here is to show you guys that we need to close above 104, above our 21-day EMA. There is about an hour and a half by the time you watch this update here left on this candle here. So it's all going to depend on where you close here. And ultimately, we need to break the downtrend here. If we cannot break the downtrend right here at this yellow line at our 50-day EMA, pretty much $110 on QNT needs to break. If we do not get over 110, there's nothing bullish about QNT. We're just going to come back up here to the top and fall off the table at that point. Which, if we do that, there's a good chance we come back down to our box and this macro $100 support area does not hold. So I want you guys just to be aware of that. If we cannot get over 110, there's a chance we're coming back down into our box, which is dangerous territory, and we could end up losing it and crashing down. And if we lose this macro support, which is very strong support, the bottom's going to fall out, and there's really no telling how low QNT is actually going to go. So just be aware of that there. 110 is your big price to beat to break the downtrend for momentum to the upside. And if we pull back anywhere from 100 down to our latest wick at 96.5 is our price area to hold. We could come up here to the downtrend, hit that, come back down here, consolidate, and then move higher at some point. We could just blast through it on this candle here or the next couple of candles. But ultimately, watch 110. We need to break above 110 to break the downtrend on QNT. And if you fall lower than 96, look out below. You're potentially going to come down to 92, 86, 80, and potentially even lower. But if you're like me and you're long on QNT for the next bull run, whenever that may be, scoop some up at all these lower price targets, because I do think if we do come down to these price targets, there is a high chance that we may never get these low prices ever again on QNT. So just be aware of that. So yeah, we'll leave it at that on QNT. The market's trying to move on the day. Bitcoin's on the move. QNT's on the move. I just wanted to make this quick update to let you know that we need to stay over the 21, and ultimately we need to break 110 to break out of this downtrend that we've been in since January. So big price to beat here is 110 on QNT, and then we'll get all kinds of bullish momentum to the upside. So we'll leave it at that on QNT. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.